Hey guys, it's me, Gary Lee Stanley, your sales guy. How are you doing today, guys? Today we're going to talk about our favorite subject, which is sales. All right, we got a cool topic for ourselves today, so let's literally dive right on into it. What is our cool topic for today? Our cool topic for today is selling. How do you offer and sell your credit and financial plans? Okay, what do you say? I said, how do you sell your credit plans, your service plans, the way you help people purchase stuff? Well, let me give you some information, guys. It'll maybe help you to maybe make it easier for you. If you're working in a showroom, one of the biggest things that I like to do is I like to ask my question, at the beginning of my presentation, have you already been pre-approved? People look at you like, well, sometimes people are pre-approved. Sometimes they'll go online and they'll go ahead and get credit set up already with your company. And I've seen it many times because people, they buy different things like furniture, all different types of products, and they use their capabilities to be able to use financing. And our question for today is, how do you offer your credit plans? Okay, well, here's the thing. If somebody comes in and if they don't have any credit, it can be, kind of tough. But if somebody's already had a credit experience, that means they've got a credit background. And your simple job is to walk them through the process and ask them, have you already, like I said, already been pre-approved? And a lot of times people will say yes or no. So, and then what you do is you just say, look, it only takes a couple of minutes. We'll go ahead and get you pre-qualified. And in that way, you can go ahead and make an informed decision based on what you're looking for today. And I can help you with that. We can go up to the kiosk. It only takes a couple of minutes. And we'll find out what we can do for you today. Sound fair? And you got to be very kind about it, guys, because people are kind of weird when you start talking to them about the money. They get a little frustrated. They get a little overwhelmed when people start asking them questions about their money. But if it's available for them to be able to purchase something of means, most people don't have a lot of money in their bank account, so they do what they call installments, monthly investments. They pay monthly installments, so that way they can pay off their merchandise in a timely manner that's based on how they can pay for it. And by offering your credit plans and your service plans, it gives you the capability to offer to get larger sales. And what that means is, instead of just getting one type of a sale, you can get add-ons, you can get service agreements, maintenance agreements, warranties, and all these different other type services added. Because what did you do? You helped them get a line of credit. You helped them walk through a process. You helped them get financing so they can buy what they're what you're trying to sell. Maybe you need to have service work done on your home. Maybe you need, new electrical service, maybe new plumbing, maybe new air conditioning system. All of these different type of opportunities give you as a salesperson an opportunity to offer your credit. They're expensive. It costs a lot of money to have somebody knock on your door and go, yep, that air conditioning is broke. Oh yeah, ma'am, that plumbing needs to be fixed. That electrical work, your pipes need to be okay. So what I'm sharing with you guys is you got to be able to promote your credit. And I always like to tell my customers in advance, hey, listen, we get a lot of customers who call us. They want to use their Visa, MasterCard. But in a time of emergency, they may want to go ahead. You might want to consider using our money. We give you no prepaid penalties. We got 12 months, same as cash, 0 interest promotion. We got 90 days, same as cash. We give you the option to pay it off as fast as you need to. Just make sure you make your monthly installments and pay it off and get it done as soon as possible. That way you can have an open to buy. And if there's anything else that you need to improve on, maybe you need a new AC, maybe you need your whatever fix. Because like I said, guys, people want to invest in stuff, but if you can help them see the advantage of using your credit and walking them through the process, it only takes a couple of minutes. And don't be afraid to ask, did you want to go ahead and put that on your credit, or would you like to use ours? Or would you like to find out a little bit more about what we can offer, and we'll give you the options so that way you can make an informed decision. How does that sound? Sound fair? Okay? And listen, guys, people really do want to buy stuff. They really want to own stuff. They just need somebody who cares enough for them. And make sure that if you sell, any kind of credit, that if they offer credit life or some type of credit extension or credit insurance, which can cover the customer in case they were to pass away or they become disabled or if they can't work. And you may say, well, why would I want to sell that stuff? Because see, that helps you. That makes you a better salesperson. And it also is a complete circle when you help a customer purchase something. It's not just going to help them today. It's going to help them after the post sale, and it's going to help them in the future. If something happens to them and they can't pay that bill, they'll love you to death. I'm just saying, but you have to offer it. You got to know what's in your credit. You got to know what your limitations are. And you got to remember, sometimes people balk when you tell them you got to pay 25, 30% interest. Okay. So you just got to be careful about that, because all these credit card companies and service companies, it costs a lot of money to do business, because, a lot of people sometimes don't pay their bills. And then guess what? You got to eat it. So it's a way, for them to protect themselves, but also to stack that paper. But for us salespeople, it's also an advantage to be able to offer credit and service. The reason why is if you didn't have it and somebody came in for a $5,000 set of sofa or a washer and dryer set, and it cost them a couple of grand, or maybe they need to get a new refrigerator and they don't have that money, then it's really hard. But I like to be able to offer my service as far as our financing and give them the option and let them know, because after you've sold them a product, like say for instance a washer, dryer, refrigerator, by the way, sir, this comes with a 90 days parts and 1 year labor. We do offer a 5-year service plan that'll guarantee you that if you need somebody to go out there to fix your ice maker because it's going to break, if it hurts, and okay, and you ask these questions and you pepper it through your presentation and you offer service on top of your sale. And the reason why, because it doesn't change the monthly installment hardly at all. But what it does do, it locks it in for up to 5 years. So you got a customer who's a captured customer. So if they have a problem, they ain't gonna be mad at you. They've got your service plan, they got the credit, and now they're gonna be knocking at the door saying, hey, something's wrong with my equipment, can you help me? And you'll go, yes, I can. Because they have the service plan, but they put it on their, they put it on their credit as far as their credit limit. Like say, for instance, for myself, when I bought my brand new, I got a brand new sofa set, 4 recliners. They're really cool. It's just really nice product. But I bought the leather care on it because I wanted to take care of the leather on it. I also covered it in case punctures, tears, rips, and because it had mechanisms and stuff in it, I was able to get a warranty on that, because I got a teenager jumping all over it. He was a teenager when I bought it, and now he's in his early 20. So the key to success, guys, is I do believe in buying warranties and service agreements. But a lot of times, if you wait till the end of the sale and you add that on, people go like, I don't want it. So sprinkle it through your presentation and let them know that, hey, by the way, we got a 5-year guarantee on this. And by the way, as far as with our financing, when you get this set, you can get it covered up to 5 years, and your monthly installment is going to be $189. How's that sound? And they'll either balk or say, yeah, that sounds good. Or they'll, but your key to success, guys, is to get them pre-qualified. People want to buy stuff. They have credit cards, they got credit debt, but sometimes people want a brand new mattress. I bought one, it cost me almost $3,000. It was a great one, but I bought it, and I also bought that protection on it. I bought the cover to cover the mattress itself in case of urine, blood, and just nasty stains and stuff that can happen. And I protect my investment. When you buy a car, you buy some type of service agreement, a warranty. So the key to success, guys, is when you're financing something, if you're wanting to buy something, make sure that you offer it on every single opportunity. And you sprinkle it through your presentation. Oh, and by the way, if you come into my showroom today, we got a brand new sofa sets on sale for $15.99. That includes all 3 pieces, and you can cover it up to 5 years. And we also have our own in-house financing. We got 0 interest promotion for up to 5 years. So did you want to go ahead and take a look and see what we have? And they'll take a look and see. And then in the back of your mind, you've already handed them a credit app, especially if you work in a showroom where you can get people to purchase stuff. hand them an advertisement, hand them some information that's got to do, with the credit card information, so that way they can hold it in their hands, and they'll be sitting there looking at each other and the significant other, the wife, the husband, children, it don't matter. People will be looking to purchase something, but they'll say, honey, I don't know, this is a little bit more than we thought. What do you think we should do? How much do you think it's going to cost? And so your key job is to walk them through the process, help them to get the financing, make sure you got them covered in case something were to happen to them. Make sure you got the extended warranties, the service agreements, the maintenance agreements covered all under a bundle package. Give them a monthly installment and let them know, hey, there is no prepaid penalty and you can pay it off as fast as you want. And my name is Gary Lee Stanley. I am your sales guy. So if you're looking to sell stuff that's got a significant value that costs a little bit more than a couple of $100, you better go ahead and learn about your credit and how it works and how you can help people be successful in purchasing. And today we just had a very simple conversation about selling and helping people, offer as a salesperson how to offer your credit and your credit services. Okay, so people can buy stuff from you today. Okay, all right. Get that good credit on. All right.